Yeah, so hello guys. This video I just want to show you the error message I do get each time I want to stake my BUSD here. So as you can see, let me okay, let's start from here. As you can see here now, you can see I have 21 BUSD. Okay, so normally what I'm supposed to do is this. I'm supposed to put the amount of BUSD I want to stake here and click on deposit, and it's expected to go through. Okay, but I'm going to do it now and show you the error message that I normally get, and also I'm going to show you how you're going to solve that error message and be able to deposit or stake your coin, okay, on Stablefund. Okay, so let me just put in this 21 BUSD that I actually have here now. Okay, so we have 21 BUSD. So we expected to click on this deposit, okay, which is the stake icon. You can see down here, this is stake here. So we expected to click on this, and the transaction is supposed to go through, okay. But let me click on it. So after clicking on it, you can see the error message. Execution reverted. That is the error message it's giving me. Okay, edit gas fee. Edit gas fee is not the issue, because if you come down here, I have enough fee. Okay, I have enough money in my account that can cover gas fee. You can see I have $4 plus here for gas fee, and the gas fee is just some cents. Okay, so definitely gas fee is not the issue here. I'm going to show you how to resolve that issue. Okay, so let's put in that 21 BUSD one here again and try again. Then after that, I'm going to show you how to get results, okay, on how to stake your Stablefund, to stake your BUSD on Stablefund, because a whole lot of guys have actually been messaging me, my followers, that they can't stake their BUSD, MATIC, or BNB on Stablefund. Let me quickly show you one message that I actually got on my YouTube channel. Okay, you can see one of my subscribers actually sent me this one. He said, we can't even deposit fund in this stupid wallet. Okay, the guy actually got frustrated and he sent me this message. Okay, but let's go back to Stablefund. Okay, you see, well, we'll click on it again. Assuming you want to stake, that same message is going to come out. So what you need to do is this: you come up here where it says BUSD. I'm doing this assuming you want to stake BUSD, but if you are staking MATIC or BNB, it's still the same process. Okay, so you're going to click on this BUSD icon here, and it's going to drop down. So you just go down and click on either BNB or MATIC. Okay, now let's click on BNB. Okay, but remember, we are not staking BNB, we are staking BUSD. Now let's go back again and click on BUSD now, and you see that the transaction will go through. Let's click on BUSD now, and let's put the amount we want to stake, which is 21. 21, because you can see up here, I only have 21 BUSD here. So I'm going to click on this approve now. So you can see now that it just went through now, right? So let's click on send. So we're going to wait for it to load. So you can see it's processing. It's approved now. Click on send to confirm the final confirmation. So you're going to see that it will be completely confirmed, and that 21 BUSD will be staked. Okay, so you see deposit. Okay, deposited successfully. Okay, you got that message now. So if you look up here now, you see that we don't have BUSD here again. All right. So the process, like I rightly told you, is this: assuming you want to stake BUSD, what you need to do is this: you click on this drop down icon, go down and click on either BNB or MATIC. Okay, click on any of the coin aside the very one that you want to stake. Okay, let's say if I click on MATIC, okay, then I go back again and I click on BUSD, okay, which is the original coin that I want to stake, then you see that the transaction will go through. Okay, that has been the difficult that a whole lot of people have been going through. And mind you, Stablefund just put up a new website, okay, a very befitting website, and I want to believe that the mobile aspect of it, okay, the app aspect of it on the mobile is also going to begin to reflect on that new website very, very soon. Because for now, we still have the same interface, the same old interface on the mobile for now, okay. But when you go to the desktop, they have a very brand new website interface. But on the mobile, it's still the old one. So very soon, hopefully a week from now, thereabout, like they rightly said, everything is going to be synchronized, and we'll start having the new website interface on the mobile, and all this problem of staking will be off, okay. So that's a quick information I said I should show you. And now, if you are hearing about Stablefund for the first time, Stablefund is actually a platform that helps you to make money from the crypto space, okay, by paying you 1.5% interest every single day from your total sum of investment, be it on BUSD, MATIC, or BNB. Okay, so that is the quick information I decided to show you guys. Now, if you got value from this video, I just want you to go ahead, give the video a thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe to the channel. Okay, thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and take care of yourself, and bye.